students, how are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIES home school. This is Sonia Khanjaya, Assistant Teacher of National Art and English Version School, Monishi, Dhaka. Today I am going to take ICT class for the student of class 8 students, and our today's topic chapter 2, question answer RW. Look at the board, my dear students. This is class 8, subject ICT, turn half yearly and your topic chapter 2, question answer RW. Lecture number 20 and homework number 15. So my dear students, let's start our today's topic. Look at the board, my dear students. This is chapter 2. Here extra question number 2 and extra question number 3. These two questions are our today's topic. So start our today's topic. Extra question number 2. What is protocol? Explain the ring or mesh topology with figure. Again I am saying, what is protocol? Explain the ring or mesh topology with figure. Answer. First we have to learn about protocol. What is protocol? It is mandatory to follow some rules and regulations to exchange information from one computer to another after connecting them together. So this is protocol. The people who create network determine these rules, including in which language and by following which rules and regulations they will ensure the intercommunication of the computers. These are called protocols. For example, for the internet, the protocol used is Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP. Between ring and mesh topology is explained below with figure. Now mesh topology. In this system of topology, computers are connected to each other in a number of ways. The computers connected here can not only receive the information but also distribute it among other computers. A figure of mesh topology is given below. So here the picture of mesh topology, and you have to draw the figure of mesh topology in this question. Now question number 3. What is LAN card? What are uses of network in IT sectors at present? Again I am saying, what is LAN card? What are uses of network in IT sectors at present? First we have to learn what is LAN card. Answer: LAN card. The device which is necessary to connect two or more computers together is known as LAN card. Again I am saying, the device which is necessary to connect two or more computers together is known as LAN card. Uses of network in IT sectors. Information and communication are two of the most important strategic issues for the success of every enterprise. While today nearly every organization uses a substantial number of computers and communication tools like that, telephone, fax, personal LAN, handheld devices. These are the tools of computer and communication tools: telephone, fax, personal handheld devices. They are often still isolated. While managers today are able to use the newest applications, many departments still do not communicate, and much needed information cannot be readily accessed. To overcome these obstacles in an effective usage of information technology, computer networks are necessary. Now anybody just with a stroke of finger can preserve the information in computer database and use it when needed as well. Another important use of network is to share the required software of information technology. Once it was necessary to keep the required software separately in every computer. In this way, a user can keep his personal files of information in a different location. These are the uses of network in IT sector at present. So my dear students, this is our today's topic and your homework number 15 and question number 2 will your homework. Look at the board student, this question number 2 will your homework. Homework number 15, question number 2 will your homework. So my dear students,